Hello everyone, welcome to IHM Studio Kitchen. I am Ranjan Kumar. I am a third year student of IHM Ranchi, and today we are going to prepare fresh veg sandwich. To prepare fresh veg sandwich, we are going to use black pepper, salt, fresh curd, fresh vegetables and some fresh breads. Let's start the process. We are going to take a carrot and we will cut it. Now we will take some cabbage. Now we will cut some onion. Now we will take some bell peppers. Now I will take some tomatoes. Now I will take the bowl. I will add some curd. Some salt. Some black pepper. Now I will mix it. Now I am keeping this stuffing here and going to take some bread. Now I will put some filling on the bread. I put this bread on upper side. Now I will cut the sides. Now we will divide it into two parts. And this is our beautiful sandwich. Thank you for watching this video. Johar.